Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting now. Make sure the device is online and you know the Google email and password. Once done, grant device sync and open the Messages app. Go to Settings immediately. You do this because Messages reads the system accounts. Adding the Google account, there will let Messages use chat features and backups, so don't skip device-level account setup. Now tap Accounts or Chat features inside Messages to prepare for sign-in. You'll add the Google account at the system level. Open Settings, choose Accounts, and pick Add Account right arrow Google. Sign in and accept permissions. Make sure you complete any two-step verification. This is why it asks for your phone or backup code. Once signed in, go back to Messages, open Settings, and under Chat features or Account choose that Google account so Messages can enable RCS and backups. This ties your Messages to the correct Google identity and sync settings automatically. You finish by enabling chat features and backup inside Messages, then confirm sync status. You should see your Google account listed. Test by sending a message that shows RCS indicators or by checking the backup timestamp in Settings. If something goes wrong, first confirm correct time, a stable internet connection, and Google sign-in status. Then clear Messages cache, restart the phone, and if needed, remove and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.